Hey everyone, I know you guys all just saw this. Anyhow, this is obviously my first dunking location of the year. Well, I got some really good photos there. Over here is my first actual dunk, and then over there is all my pros. So I'm gonna go ahead. This is a perfect location to have your first dunk and your first super deep test. So I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys out as far as I can go. I am actually gonna buy the thing that GoPro has to really, you know, amp up things, or to really give you that length. But yesterday I just did my hands. I gotta be careful not to fall in here. You guys can see I'm taking it very cautiously. So I know this is gonna be literally freezing, but I can woman this out and get it. So here we go, guys. We're gonna get you guys down and under. Everybody can see. Okay, so it is still filming. You can see I'm at my knees now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get up here. Whew. Gosh, guys, this is really cold. But hey, if a person is dedicated enough, they're gonna do it. And that's what I am. So here we go, guys. We're gonna go really deep in there. We're gonna like look underneath that log you guys can see. All right, here we go. I should do this at Rock Run. Whenever we have our nice January thaw, I'm definitely gonna do it. So here we go. All right, guys. Here we go. What is that? Oh, let's go look. Holy cow, guys. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I just did that. Holy cow. Whew. Whew. Gosh, that was cold. Alright, guys. I'm gonna take a pause and do another film here in just a second.